Max App Review 2025. Is it worth subscribing for movies and shows? You won't believe how streaming services have evolved in 2025. Max App promises a huge library of movies, shows, and exclusive content, but is it worth the subscription? The surprising truth is variety. Most people get this wrong by assuming all streaming platforms offer the same titles. Max includes original series, blockbuster films, documentaries, and live TV options, catering to diverse tastes. One major advantage is user experience. You won't believe what happens next when you see intuitive navigation, personalized recommendations, and multiple device streaming. Offline downloads and high-definition streaming enhance convenience. Max also bundles features like ad-free viewing, parental controls, and curated collections, making it suitable for families and entertainment enthusiasts alike. However, there are cons. Subscription fees can be higher than some competitors, and content rotates, so certain titles may disappear. Some users report occasional streaming glitches during peak hours. In conclusion, Max App in 2025 is worth subscribing if you value variety, exclusives, and a seamless viewing experience. While costs and content rotation are considerations, intuitive features, personalization, and high-quality streaming make it a compelling option for movie and show lovers.